Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion, Crazy Coupon Cravers. I'm very blessed to be here. I'm very blessed to show you my savings. And I'm just thankful for the day that we had. It was such a beautiful day. And I enjoyed watching the Super Bowl yesterday with my mom. And I was just jumping up and down. And she goes, the whole neighbors can hear you a mile away. So I was very excited. I was very excited that Kansas City won, but you might have been for the Eagles. But if you did, I'm sorry that they lost because they lost. I felt bad for them, but I know somebody has to lose. So, but thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe if you haven't. And if you are subscribed, I want to thank you because each and every one of you guys help my station grow. And thank you for all the comments and all that because it means the world to me. Thank you. I cherish you guys, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. We ended up going to Walgreens. I ended up buying this. It was $5.99. I ended up having a $3 digital, so that made it $2.99. So I paid $3. So I thought that was a good deal on that. I ended up buying 3 Tresemme. I ended up buying 3 shampoos because I didn't know if the coupon would come off or not. Because sometimes it doesn't if you don't buy the same like conditioner or shampoos or whatever. So I bought 3 of them the same. These were 2 for $12. I ended up having a $5 digital if you buy 3. So I paid $18 for 3 of them. And then minus the coupon and the $5 digital that I got, I ended up paying $6 for 3 of them. So $2 a piece. So that's an okay deal. I ended up buying 2 Tide and Downey. You can mix and match. You can buy Gain too. I paid $5.49 a piece, and if you buy 3 of them, you get a $5 register reward back. But if you spend over $15 in P&G, you get another $5. So it makes it $6 and like 49 cents for 3 of them, so $2.15 a piece. So I think that is a fantastic deal. Some people I heard had digital coupons like $1 off some of them, but I didn't have any. But like I said, $6.49 or $2.17 a piece. That is a fantastic deal. I bought 3. I don't know where the other 3 I had it. I bought 3 of the Big Soleil. I paid $16.29. I ended up having a $4 digital. I ended up having a $3 off the coupon, off a coupon out of the paper, and then to my surprise, I got $3 back on Walgreens cash. Plus, I got a $3 register reward, so I got $6 instead of 3. So I paid like $1.09 a piece. So that is a fantastic deal. These were a regular $6.49 a piece. So that is a great stuck-up deal. And then I ended up buying the paper towels, Scott's paper towels. They're $5. Buy one, get one half price. I had a $1 digital, and then I bought this for $5. I had a $1 digital. So that made both of these $2.75 a piece. So that was a great deal for that. But that was my haul. I ended up submitting, like I said, $6 to coupons.com. So out of all that, and then I had a $9 booster and 10 off of 50. So I ended up paying for everything. I only paid like $9 for everything. So I was so happy and excited about that. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe. And thank you again for tuning in, and just take advantage of spending time with your loved ones because you're not promised another day. And I'm very blessed my mom is still here. She's 92, and I'm just very blessed to be here. God bless you guys. Have a blessed day. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.